Heyo. Did you miss me? If you saw the last video, then obviously at the end I ended up ill and in hospital with little to no explanation, so little update on how that's going. Still got a cold, literally like 3 weeks later. That's one thing that honestly very quickly became the least of my problems, because the reason I went to the hospital actually had nothing to do with that. It was like completely unrelated. That was actually because it turns out I had a giant freaking cyst on my ovary. I had to have all sorts of blood tests and internal ultrasounds, which is exactly as fun as it sounds. But we are back and we are somewhat alive and well, like 90% on the mend. Anyway, the agenda for today is that it is currently 9:40 in the morning and my best friend Tilly is coming over at 11 and we are going to go thrifting. We are going to get a bunch of t-shirts and then we are going to come back here and we are going to fabric paint them because we want to make like slogan t-shirts. I actually do already have a bunch of like thrifted stuff to upcycle anyway, but I don't know how many of them are actually going to be suitable for what we are doing. That's a good one. Blue. Okay, I actually think those are the only two that are going to work, so it is something we've got to start. But let's go thrifting for some more.
I got bells on my toes, a heart for a nose. I'm the grand prize of the carnival show. I'm all by myself, way up on the shelf.
Is this gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be famous?
Yeah.
I'll give you all of my loving.
Money to a charity. Like, after that.
Dude, these ones fit perfectly as well.
Oh my god. Damn, okay.
You could take me to the dance and show me off to everybody. That's how it would be, just you and me. You could call it love if you wanna take me home.
You ready for a haul?
I don't know why I love a slushy so much.
So banging. Clink with me. Right, first of all, I got a beautiful ring that Tilly would have got if her fingers weren't so skinny and dainty.
They are. It's like this ring really shows it most. Like,
What is that? It's a fucking jump ring. Also, another bonus bonus find. This that we borrowed from a Costa table that someone had left behind. So, woo!
yeah.
What did you get?
This green top, which is Uniqlo of all places, probably would have been 30 quid in the real store.
Honestly.
Got it for 3. Got this blue t-shirt that's like from Rice.
Those jeans fit you so good. Love. Are you gonna pin on me yet?
I pinned some things.
Yeah, we need to find some in the spale.
Oh, and then I also got a black top that's in your bag. Black top? Yeah. From the first place.
Why do I have no memory of that? Oh yeah, black t-shirt. Oh yeah, I bought so much stuff, but none of it is what we needed, so I'm still just going with the 2 t-shirts I had to begin with. I did get 1 pair of jeans that does fit me nicely that I will probably paint something on the pockets of or something. Then everything else was just fun things for me,
Yeah.
such as smiley face jeans. These are so cool. Don't know what I'm gonna wear with them, but I love
But
them.
they fit you amazing and
They
they
fit
fit
me
your style.
amazing. Mhm.
And who found them?
She did. She did.
I did.
And then I literally just bought myself like 3 new outfits. Got this
Wow.
t-shirt, which is from Pull and Bear. Very
I love Pull and
cute.
Bear.
Yeah, honestly, same. This, which I've literally like already got this, but it's like
Yeah, I feel like I've
faded.
definitely seen you.
I've got one that
Something
literally
like
looks
that.
exactly like this, but it's so faded that it basically just looks white now, whereas this is like back to the sage green color. And then I got these, like, I should have tried these on to be honest, but like corduroy navy blue trousers, but they're like elasticated because I don't like wearing actual pants. Yeah, dude. And that's everything I got. And the ring, and the slushie, and the stolen lighter. Woohoo!
Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it, so I'm writing what I'm thinking. You could have told me sooner, I was sure that it was me. You used to want to hold me close, you used to want all of me. What's the reason for your tears, and what's the reason for your fears? In my mind I'm kissing you, oh, and my dog, she misses you.
Tilly is going for, oh, that actually looks really cool.
Do you know what I mean? I was thinking it was like a heart, but then I saw it's like, but it's like just a target. I'm not very great at drawing, but I was thinking I could combine the heart and the target.
I still have no idea what I'm gonna do. I've got some ideas. Oh, they're just all different versions of stars.
Real. That, wow, you have such talent in every medium.
Oh, thank you.
Now you're heading for the show. All your memories through a broken telecast.
Okay, I've drawn out my design in pencil and Tilly's onto her painting it. Looking good. Okay, Tilly's using this fabric pen, but I want to do mine in red and I don't have red fabric pen, and so instead I'm going to use this fabric medium, which is either from Hobbycraft or The Range, I don't remember, and just regular red acrylic pen, although that actually feels very empty. Now I'm going to have to actually see if I've got any red pen. I think I do.
Yeah, you must have. You
Okay,
have
yes, I
everything
do.
under the sun.
I do.
If you're leaving, let me know. Is it in the papers? Is it in your bloodstream? Tigers on trains, watching you go. Head in the glass, fogging up the windows. Now you're never gonna come back.
Okay, tutorial time because I'm teaching Tilly how to cut a t-shirt. So, you're gonna start out by just cutting off the neckline.
Okay.
Like stop there and then go through one layer and then do it around like that. Which way are you wanting your shoulder to be?
Oh,
I would say that one because then you can show your tattoo.
off this one. Okay.
And then just cut from here to like just before where that shoulder seam is. Like that across this layer.
Okay.
And then on the back you're going from the bottom of this one to the same point.
Oops.
Lovely.
Oh no.
It's fine, just neat enough. Oh no. Right, now you can just stretch that out.
Oh. Okay.
Right, we are on our final pieces. Technically Tilly's still on like her first, but she's come back to it. She's finished all of her others, they're all drying, and they look very, very good. They actually look so cool.
Thank you.
And I found this other t-shirt that I forgot I had that basically just spawned out of nowhere, so I'm going to use this one. And I still need to decide what I'm writing on it. Here is my final t-shirt and I'm absolutely in love with it. As you can see, I went around with some stars as well, which I just did with a little liner stamp that I'd already made. You definitely don't need like a whole liner cutting set in order to make these. If you just wanted to do like little simple shapes like this, you could literally either hand paint them or even just cut it out of like a regular washing up sponge, like cut a star out of that and then just use obviously your fabric paint to stamp that on, and it will give the same effect for a lot cheaper and a lot easier. And then I actually also ended up making a second one with the blue t-shirt. It's just a little blueberry design. design, which this one I made purely because one of my Sims has a blueberry back tattoo that I've always just thought was so cute, so I decided to put it on a t-shirt and I love it. So this is my Sims t-shirt now. I will put like a whole written tutorial down in the description for all of the things that we made today. And of course, if you guys end up painting any of your t-shirts or jeans or anything, then please send me a photo. I would love to see it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it either gave you some inspiration or it was just a fun thing to watch for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching, especially if you have made it to the end. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I got bells on my toes, a heart for a nose. I'm the grand prize of the carnival show. I'm all by myself, way up on the shelf, waiting for you to come along.